Ever wondered if a meal could be more than just a taste delight? Introduce your palate to Banamin's plant-based, low glycemic index, gluten-free soup mix. Each packet of Banamin's soup mix is a symphony of wholesome ingredients. Green banana flour, mung beans, moth beans, cabbage, and sapota, all harmoniously blending to create a flavor that's both unique and familiar. Banamin's soup mix stands proud with a 100% clean label, a promise of no sugar, dextrose, starch powder, artificial flavors, or colors, just pure, unadulterated goodness. In under a quarter of an hour, the magic unfolds in your kitchen, giving birth to a nutritionally balanced meal that's as easy to prepare as it is delicious to devour. From tiny tots to the elderly, Banamin soup mix brings a smile to every face. It's not merely a meal, it's a powerhouse of nutrition, a celebration of health. Why wait? Make every meal count with Banamin's soup mix.